I wonder bayingakhi abalalela lezwi lami iphimbo lami ababukele video abathi impela usathane uyangilinga. Ceda ukwenzeka into 5 minutes ago, ceda ukwenzeka into 10 minutes ago, an hour ago or yesterday. Or utho ungena onyaka nomusha wangena ngezilokotho ezinhle kwavele kwenzeka imshophi into ongayiplanelanga wayibuza la ukuthi yazi nali ibhadla ngibhadula ngahlangana nehlanya lavela ngihlanyela sila ngibele ekhanda. So but iyashintsha voice again. It says to me, please chairman, do not fall into the trap. Siyalingwa sisehlane angazo ngisetabeni yaseGetsemane day in day out, you know. We don't give up and we try again. But ke namhlanje ngifisa ukukhuluma nabantwana benu man. Bomama, please do share this video. I do care. My heart goes to young boys. I know kaningi in South Africa we do care about wonke umuntu as a rainbow nation, but the focus manje they are focusing or zooming into a girl child. So ngathi abashana they are neglected. Bashana nisenkingeni, you are on your own. Ngihleli la inhlizini okushona phansi. Abafana maningi lama trap. Mangithi do not fall into the trap. Uzo react. And then immediately once you react, the constitution yakho mfana kithi uzosala wedwa. Ayikhave ekufavor ngaleyo ndlela. Yonke into escalator very quick from 0 to 200. Ingajiki ibuye seyine GBVF. I'm not saying I'm denying or denouncing indaba yokuthi ikhona into ekuthiwa GBVF. It does exist. Bayangazi abaziyo ngahamba from la to Durban ngeenyawo neteam yonke siphelele ikhwela tips 530k. So we're amplifying the message le GBVF, but ziyashintsha izinto endleleni. Bafana bami mawuvuka umoya uvuka wadam lento ephakathi kwemilenze bafana now lenyawo le-straight bafana sell out. Ngiyacela la uzoya khona mhlambe kukumanje ukuthi no ngiyophuza iViagra, mina ngiyophuza iBrown Bumba, mina ngiyophuza umhlaba suze, ngiphuza umhlaba suze. Bayahlanya abantwana babantu la ngaphandle. Uzosho ngelinye ilanga mfana wami bazokuchazela baku-interpretela ngifuna ukuthukana usho ukuthi ngalibhebhe uhlanya. Yenzeka ke bafana bakithi khuluma mina ke manje Grootman ngekhanda elikhulu khuluma mina straight. Wena ongibhekile ukungihlahlela amehlo vula ivolume ungizwe kahle ngithi bayahlanya ziyahlanye izingane zabanyoma la ngaphandle. And bese abanye abahlanyiswa yini bahlanyiswa ubani and uyazi ukuthi lento ngeke umuntu amana kusukele kuyena ngithi kuwe ngelinye ilanga uzuyisolo ukuthi ngaze ngayiyenza mistake. Bafana bakithi zamana ukufihla ikhanda yendaba okuhamba nje uhamba mithisa yonke indawo. Yonke into iyabuya kuwe mfana kithi. And I'm not saying about deadbeat and then absent fathers bese baya leverage abagibele nginishaya nginibulala inyanga ngifuni la kule group. Into engifuna abantu abaqonde eqinqo umuntu owazi ukuthi I'm a present father and ngiyayilwela lento. And I'm saying wonke umuntu kumele abe ne positive parenting. Kukhona into ukuthi abantu ba coexist. Ukwabona noma sekuthiwa kuyahlukana kuthiwa i-divorce. Ayikho into ehlupha isisokolisa abantwana njengale. And sometimes asimastari lento mhlamba belungu bayishaya ngesikolo ngamaphepha ngathi iproblem bafethu. Yekelani indaba yokuhamba mithisa. Ngiyanicela ngiyaninxusa gents. Yekelani indaba yokuhamba nipractice yonke le ndawo nipractice left and right. Lento uzuyibona ukuthi umuntu kwaba nepressure enye out yami yabona ukuthi angisakhoni lento ngibambe ngama turn up. Yagcina ithi ngcono ngihambe ngiyenza iDNA test. Mayifika bayibeka ibhutsi entanyeni engasakhona ukuphefumula left and right bala entameni bayibambe ngamawashini bayibambe ngama-turn up igcine yenza iDNA mayibuye kwathiwa umntana kusukayo. The world that we live in, that is why ngithi ke alifavor abaningi. So bafana bakithi mangithi kini ngiyanizwela abafayo kufanina abalimalayo bayalimala la bayafa yes omake bayafa ubani kuyakhulunywa nani but kunale story list that untold story. One day ngizoke ngiye ngi-unpack and engage sike sihlale phansi and do a live video so that you get a better understanding. But I'm saying to you, there are fathers who really wants to be present in the lives of their kids, but they are having challenges. They are having it hard. Ngabo baby mama. The baby mama drama, that thing is very toxic and very real. They are cynical people. Number two, kunabantu ababiza mama narcissist. Narcissist ushintsha manje ibhadile imbhadula ishintshe lento kube yakho ekufanele straight. West part engivala ngayo la songathi into zakho ziyabamba ispark imake mfana kithi ayikho into abantu abangayifuni njengempumelelo. The day bakubona ukuthi hayi into zakho ziyagibela manje ubanjiswa ababhantshi ubanjisa abantwana ubanje ziyenzeka izinto. Not saying abafana banamadimoni abo ngiyabuya kubo ngikhulumile ngabo deadbeat angithukanga futhi angisali Ngikhuluma nje nabafana bami, ngiyanicela bafana bami 16 17 18 ninesafudumela nishiselwa igazi manje sesikolweni. Bafana bakithi makube nithanda ngaleyo ndlela nikhona ukuyibamba condomizani bafana. Kuyafiwa ngaphandle bawabalile ama percentage. Angifuni ukuyiphinda. Gugulana ama stats akhona. The writings on the wall ukuthi inkinga isemnyango. But engikucelayo ngunxusayo bazali batsheleni abantwana singasayibalekeli le ndaba. Ibhekene nathi le ndaba la siyakhona. Ayikho impunga yehlathi bafethu. Ihlathi lishile amahlathi yaphelile. So akusekho ukucasha. Ngicela nje sike sikhulume didenge. Ngithi izingane zabanye abomama ziyahlanya ngaphandle. Angeke ukuthola ukuphumula mfana kithi. Uyobuthi usebenza ungayiboni into oyisebenzelayo, ungayiboni into oyenzayo. Likuhleli la intombazana. Ya uthututene mayiqedile ke khuleka. Ivoice yabo ke it's louder than because amplifyiwe. Manje kuze kunama campaign afandwayo ukuthi kudinanswe into yothe boy child. So ngelinye ilanga kuyobuya kuthiwa uyagijinyiswa nani uzosaba ukukhuluma ngoba bathi ayiface yakhe se-TV wena celebrity nani. Ngikhuluma nga real life issues that affect real people. Sisenkingeni, sisekakeni bafana bakithi.